Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmargaha classes. Next question from my beginnings. What did Kapil and his friends do with the pomegranate? So pomegranate ಅನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕಪಿಲ್ ದೇವ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅವರ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು. Okay, so this is also for 2 marks. Okay children. So what did they do? Kapil and his friends took down all 92 pomegranates from the tree. Yes, ದಾಳಿಂಬೆ ಹಣ್ಣುಗಳಿದ್ದವು 92 pomegranate trees. Sorry, 2 pomegranates were there. They took all the pomegranates from the tree. So they ate whatever they could. ಎಷ್ಟು ತಿನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯನೋ ಅಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಅವರು ತಿಂತಾರೆ. Then they distributed the rest. ಉಳಿದಿರೋದನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಹಂಚಿಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. Okay. So what did Kapil and his friends do with the pomegranates? There were 92 pomegranates on the tree. ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? 92. So ಆ 92 pomegranates ಅನ್ನ Kapil and his friends took. ಅವರು ತಗೊಂಡು ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟನ್ನ ತಿಂದ್ರು. They ate whatever they could and the rest they distributed. Okay. Thank you.